Hello, people. We are going into the Rocks and Minerals place in the Denver Museum. So, hello. Bye. Well, no, we're still recording.
Yeah, so
We are by
this is a crystal paper.
Can we go into it, Kaden?
No, you can't get it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Little crystal cake. Oh, dude, what is in that dark area?
I don't know.
Guys, if you were really here, this looks, things on camera don't look as scary as they really are, but this is freaking
I know, it looks kind of scary. So,
it just goes into the dark back there. Okay, let's go this way.
alright, this way we're gonna go.
That's
A
cool.
magnificent bright red mineral specimen. This display is the largest
That's cool. Let's go down here. Into the mine. Entering the mine. Whoa, dude, this is too dark.
This is a bit dark.
Wait, there's that.
Yeah, like
How does this
you
make
can't see it, but there's actually like a bit of prison.
Oh yeah, this is like a prison cage.
This bit of
It's kind of scary.
yes.
God, something moved. That was me.
Oh my God, Bo, you scared me. Okay. Oh yeah, this.
What is that?
Touch.
What is this supposed to be?
One of these bears.
Bye.